Hi guys, I hope you're having a beautiful day as always. I just watched a video, I think 2 days ago, from Tati. If you don't know Tati's channel, how do you not? She's awesome. She's got like 10 million subscribers and she is fantastic. She's so consistent and puts out top quality videos all the time, so I've watched her channel forever. Anyway, she tried a foundation the other day and was so amazed by it. I've never seen her react like that to a foundation, so I went out and bought it that same day that I saw it, and here it is. And I hope I got the right color because we're going to try this today. This is the Smashbox Full Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. It is a full coverage foundation. The funny thing is this looks like a clearance sticker, but it's not. It comes in this tiny little box. It is 1 full ounce, but it's in a squeezy tube, so it just looks like you get almost nothing. There's a squeezy tube. I don't know. Maybe, you know, it's just all in your brain because they give you this giant packaging for other stuff. So anyway, lately I've been wearing my Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the color Porcelain, and I got this one in the color 1.1 Fair Light, neutral undertone. We'll see. Let me pull this out of the way, and I've got some errands to run today, so I'm just going to put this on, put the rest of my makeup on, and then just kind of check in later in the day as things, you know, progress so we can see how this is wearing. And as you can see, I turn very pinky red. You know, if I exercise or something, I turn like tomato red. It's such a great look. Oh, in honor of fall basically being here, I'm wearing a shirt that says, "Oh my gourd, it's pumpkin spice." So, thought that was cute. Pretty cute, right? Pumpkin spice is here. Everyone's losing their mind. All right, and there's no like seal on it of any kind, so that's really reassuring. Here we go. And typically I just apply foundation to my sponge and then apply it to my face, so that's what we're gonna do. Wow. So that went on crazy easy. Like, that is like night and day. And in person, this is actually a pretty decent color match for me. Look at the difference. I did 1 layer. It's not like I applied this amazingly. Like, this is what my skin looks like naturally. This is what it looks like with the foundation on there. And it looks... Oh, my dog just knocked something over. It looks like it could be like a mask or whatever, but in person, my skin looks so natural over here on this side. It is crazy. And I wanted to get this and be like, that's not real. You know, she's just hyping this review for it. Holy cow, I don't think so. And I didn't even use that much. Okay, so let me just do a little bit more to do the other side of my face. Yeah, applies beautifully with a beauty blender. I don't even think I'm gonna do concealer. That's my dog Buster. Whew. Holy cow. Look at that. And I think I had less foundation over here, but look, you can see that versus this under eye coverage. Let's see if we can just amp this side up a little bit and then I won't need any concealer. Whew. Yeah, I think I'm going no concealer today. Oh my gosh. I think this was like $36, so it's not like it's very cheap, but I think it's kind of on par with, you know, the Born This Way foundation, and I also have the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion foundation. I'm in Cashew, which is 2N1 in the Laura Mercier foundation. Whew, my goodness. It just looks so natural, and like, it's supposed to be a matte finish, and I think it has a matte finish, but like, there's a slight amount of satin to it in person. I don't even know that I'm gonna set it because I've been using the Becca Hydro Mist set powder, and I don't even think I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna do some eye makeup and then we'll be right back. Alright, so I am finished up. I just put on a little bit of eyeshadow, some mascara, some blush, and bronzer, and some lipstick. So I am just gonna wear this over the next couple hours and just kind of check in. But again, first impressions, it might be as good as Tati says it is. So let's see how it wears and kind of what happens. I have like normal to dry-ish skin these days. So yeah, I am really interested to see if this like hangs in there. Hi guys, it has been 8.5 hours since we have seen each other last. I have worn this lovely foundation all day, and I was out. It was really warm today. It was like 94 degrees here plus humidity. So it was warm. Some of my natural oils did kind of come out, but again, I'm more of a normal to dry skin texture person these days, so I don't really have a ton of oils. My main area that I have oil is like my nose, so that's the one place I'm gonna say like I'm starting to see like the foundation break up a little, and like if I touch my nose, like a little of it came off on my finger. But other than that, this has stayed beautiful everywhere else. The coverage is definitely still there. Like even in the areas where like some of my oils have come through, it just kind of looks like a natural glow. Like I don't look like I'm a grease ball or anything like that. So I definitely think A, I'm gonna keep this foundation, and B, it's a decent color match for me. So I'm gonna continue to use this color. And yeah, so I tried this out thinking like, is Tati legit on this review? She does her reviews from a very honest perspective. She's not sponsored. She cannot be bought. That's her big thing. Like, you can't buy me. I'm going to give my people my honest opinion, and here's what I think. I wanted to test this because all of us have such different skin textures and experiences, and things like mascara and foundation and primers and stuff like that can be so personal from person to person. So I wanted to truly compare, is what she's using really gonna work that well on me? Like, am I gonna have those same stellar results? And the answer for this foundation is heck yes. That's Smashbox Studio Skin Full Coverage Foundation. Oh, it did the job, girl. It did the job. I am definitely gonna keep using this. Usually my comfort zone is in more of a medium to full kind of buildable coverage, somewhere in there. I'm not usually used to just wearing like a full on foundation. You saw when I applied it how very much it covered. Like, it was such a stark difference between the side that had foundation on it and the side that did not. It was unbelievable how well it just covered everything. And it never at any point during the day has felt like I have a cakey amount of foundation on or it looks unnatural. I had a couple people at my work today say, hey, oh my gosh, I really like your makeup today. Totally unprompted. They have no idea, A, that I even have this YouTube channel, and B, that I was testing a foundation for it. So that was really fun. So yeah. Hello, Smashbox Studio Skin. In terms of like wear and oxidation, I do feel like it oxidized just a little bit, but in my case, I feel like that actually worked out to my benefit. Like, it just became more of my natural color, which is fantastic. I'm so happy I got lucky in choosing the right color. When I applied a dab on the back of my hand when I was at Sephora purchasing this, I had this color and another color, and the color just above this one, they like didn't have the tester anymore. I don't know why. And I was really unsure if these were gonna be the colors for me. You can always go to Sephora and of course ask for a sample. No sample shame. Go get you a sample just to see what color is gonna work best for you, because the swatches on my hand, they look like they were not gonna match my face, but I went for it anyways, and I'm really glad it worked out. So get you some samples from Sephora, or go with like bare face so that you can test it, you know, on your face. The ladies who work there are great, and they will help you do that. I didn't ask for help, but they will help you do that for sure. There's no charge for anything like that, because Sephora is the best. Anyway, I am completely happy with this purchase, and again, I'm going to continue to use it, and Tati was 100% spot on in her review. So I am so happy that I did this comparison of what she thought versus what I thought. And yeah, I just had really fun doing this. So maybe in the future, if she reviews something and you think that I should review it too, just to see if we have similar thoughts on that, I would love to know. Comment down below if she's tried something recently and you really want to know, like, is that legit? I would be happy to try it and give you my honest opinions. Anyway, if you guys are not subscribed, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button so we can hang out some more. If you are already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back and watching my videos and saying hi and hello in the comments below, as always. I hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!